Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to TechKC. Today in this video, we are going to unbox this Bergner Tri-Pro Cookware, which are set of three pieces. Three pieces in the sense this Kadai with the lint, two pieces, and this frying pan, three. These are set of three. And see here, this is where I ordered on the Flipkart. And during my purchase, it was like 1500 rupees. Now the price has been dropped to 1400. Yeah, that's a good thing. And see here, Bergner Essentials Tri-ply 22, which is of 2.5 liter Kadai, and this one the bigger one, and 22 centimeter 1 liter frying pan, this one. We are going to with the induction bottom both. So we'll check while we unbox this about the induction bottom and everything. And the rating it's got is 4.2. One of my friends suggested me to buy this one, the Bergner, which is of good quality stainless steel, they mentioned. That's the reason I purchased this. So yeah, this is dishwasher safe, induction bottom, lid included. Yeah, all the details we'll check. And just now I unboxed this 3-set knife from Theodore, and this one I already uploaded that video. You can find the links in the description. And along with this, I purchased this Feednix chopping board, which is this one, the stainless steel chopping board, and a small demonstration also I did. I uploaded that video, just check in the description. And if you want the usage of this both, please do ask in the comments so that I can do a video on that. For now, we'll just try to open this one. Yeah, see here, this is of heavy weight only. For now I'll be just keeping this aside. Yeah, these are the three stainless steel cookware when I take this out. And this is the frying pan, which is of a very heavy weight. See here, set of three pieces, frying pan, kadai lid, faster heating versus single ply. This one, this is tri-ply they are saying. The first one is the stainless steel, this outer part. Maybe I can just take this out. What are the contents here? We'll check. This is the warranty certificate, okay. And this is the instruction manual, okay. We'll keep this aside. And this is the packing. Okay, this is the stainless steel, and they are mentioned like this is of induction bottom, okay, premium quality, 22 centimeters, okay, fine. And they are mentioning this top layer is of stainless steel, and they are mentioning like this mid layer is of aluminum, and the bottom is again this stainless steel. They are mentioning something like that. Yeah. And coming to the occupancy or the capacity, they mentioned something like it is of see here, 2.5 liter. So my first initial impressions are 2.5 liter. Even though it is 2.5 liter, yeah, the families with 4 to 5 people, it's better to take a slightly bigger one. Okay, these handles are also of stainless steel, so remember they can take heat. So they are not heat resistant or something like that. Some point they will take some heat. And this handle also is of stainless steel. This is not of much weight, okay. This is a bit weight, this is of lightweight, okay. So these are two items here. And the third one is this frying pan, which is of again everything is stainless steel only. There is no plastic here. Even for the handle purpose, there is no plastic included. What you can do is just ask in the comments like whether this is taking any heat or not while frying. Can we touch it? If you can ask in the comments, maybe like if I use this for 1 to 2 times, I can make initial impressions on this frying pan I can upload a video, and there is some instructions say volume 0.5 liter and 1 liter capacity. While cooking, maybe it's useful. Yeah, this is of heavy weight only. This is of heavy weight, and this is pure stainless steel, and this got 4.4 rating. That's the reason of purchasing this. But Kadai, I thought I would have kept a little more bigger one. That's what my initial impressions. Maybe I'll use it for 1 to 2 times. I can just have the initial impressions video. If you ask in the comments, I'll definitely post a video on that. If you want initial impressions video, that how these 3-set Bergner cookware is doing, please do ask in the comments. Bergner's essential tri-ply. Nowadays many are going for this tri-ply instead of the aluminum ones. Yeah, for all the others, even for this watch unboxing and everything, find the link in the description, so you can find all those unboxing along with the chopping board and 3-set knife pieces. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. And it is mentioned like it would take less oil while preparing any cooking. I need to practically test that whether there is any difference using this tri-ply stainless steel cookware, that the cooking time I need to test, the amount of oil it is taking I need to test, and the heat test I need to test it well practically. And this one also, frying pan also, I'll be doing a separate review video on both these cookware. But please do ask in the comments if you want a review video on such. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.